Earth, our awesome home in space. Hello, curious friends. Let's dive into the incredible world of Earth, our unique planet that's like no other in the solar system. It's a special place filled with land, water, and lots of exciting features. Water, world, wonder. Imagine Earth as a giant water park in space. It's 70.8% covered in water. That's like having a huge, sparkly ocean all around. The rest, about 29.2%, is land, like the ground you play on. Some of this land is bunched up in one part, making a cool, half-called Earth's land hemisphere. It's like the superhero side of our planet. On the land, there are places with humidity, it gets a bit sticky, and lots of plants. In cold areas, big ice sheets cover the ground, holding even more water. The water on Earth isn't just in oceans, it's in lakes, rivers, and even floating in the air as clouds. Earth's lands are like giant playgrounds, and its waters are endless adventure zones. Rock and roll Earth's moving crust. Underneath our feet, there's something special happening. It's like a giant dance. Earth's crust, the outer layer, moves around in a slow dance called tectonic plates. This dance creates amazing things like tall mountains, spewing volcanoes, and the ground shaking in earthquakes. Beneath the dance floor, there's a liquid outer core, a bit like hot syrup. This core has a secret power. It makes a force field called a magnetosphere. This force field is like Earth's superhero shield, protecting us from space stuff like solar winds and cosmic radiation. How cool is that? Air, clouds, and weather fun. Up above, there's a big sky filled with air. This air is like the invisible superhero that keeps us safe. It's made mostly of nitrogen and oxygen, and it loves to play with water vapor, making fluffy clouds. These clouds cover the planet like a soft blanket, giving us colorful sunsets and sunrises. Earth's atmosphere is also good at keeping us warm. Just like wearing a cozy jacket on a chilly day, Earth's atmosphere traps the sun's energy, keeping the average temperature just right. Not too hot, not too cold. This energy dance creates winds and ocean currents, making our planet a lively place with different weather in different spots. Earth's shape and fun facts. Now let's talk about the shape of our Earth. It's not a perfect ball, it's more like a slightly squished ball, an ellipsoid. If you imagine wrapping a string around it, the distance would be about 40,000 kilometers. That's a lot of running if you want to go all the way around. Earth is the heaviest planet in our solar system. It's like the big brother among the rocky planets. It hangs out about 8 light minutes away from the sun, completing a big circle in space every 365.25 days. That journey is what we call a year, and it brings us the fun seasons. Speaking of fun, Earth has a friend in space, the Moon. It's like Earth's buddy, always hanging around at a distance of 384,400 kilometers. The Moon is a cool helper. It keeps Earth steady and even affects the tides in our oceans. It's so friendly that one side of the Moon always shows its face to Earth. Our planet's epic story. Earth's story is super long. It began 4.5 billion years ago. Imagine a huge timeline with dinosaurs, ancient oceans, and then the coolest part, life. Life started popping up 1 billion years later, turning Earth into a bustling home. Now, humans joined the party about 300,000 years ago, starting in Africa. We spread across the whole planet, making friends with all kinds of environments, except Antarctica. It's a bit too chilly for most of us. But here's the thing. While Earth is amazing, we need to take care of it. Our actions can sometimes hurt the planet, making it tough for both people and animals to live happily. So, let's be Earth's superhero friends. We can recycle, save energy, and make sure our playground stays awesome for everyone. In the grand story of Earth, we're the heroes, and this incredible planet is our home sweet home. Let's cherish it, explore it, and keep it smiling for generations to come.